Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 15.3 question number 1c. Draw the graphs for the following values of tables of values with suitable scales on the axis. Deposit on interest for a year. Deposit in rupees 1000. Simple interest in rupees 80. Deposit in rupees 2000. Simple interest is rupees 160. When the deposit in rupees is 3000, its simple interest is 240, and deposit in rupees is 4000, it is 320, and when it is 5000, it is 400. Does the graph pass through the origin? Here we have taken this graph, and if we take this graph, we are getting this graph like this. If we extend this one up to 0, then we are getting this one. There is a difference of 80 and there is a difference of 1000. Therefore, we have taken the scale. Here you see the scale is like this. For x-axis, for x-axis, for x-axis, we have taken 1 unit. For x-axis, we have taken 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to rupees 1000. For y-axis, for y-axis, 1 unit is equal to rupees 80. Rupees 80. Right? Now this is the graph. Here you see this one. When it is 80, it is 1000. 1000 x is 1000, y is 80, 2160, 3240, 4320, and 5400. We plot this graph like this. It is a straight line or linear graph. The question is, number 1 is, does the graph pass through the origin? Here you see, this is our graph, and you see when the investment rupees is 0, the interest is also 0. Right? Yes, the graph passes through the origin. Does the graph pass through the origin? Yes. The graph pass through the origin. Pass through the origin. Now, question number 2. Use the graph to find the interest on rupees 2500 for a year. 2500. Here you see, this is 2000, this is 3000, there is in between it is 2500. This point is 2500, and we get here this point as 2500. This point. Therefore, this is the value for y-axis. You see, this is the value for y-axis. Right? That is, this point is 2500. 2500. Therefore, this point will be, here you see there is a difference of 80 and 160, that is 80 rupees. Right? There is 160 plus 40, that is getting 200. It is 200. Because this is the middle point. This 160, this 140, there is a difference of 80. Therefore, the middle point is 40. 160 plus 40 is 200. Right? Use the graph to find the interest on rupees 2500. Right? The interest earned. The interest earned. The interest earned in a year. On deposit of rupees 2500. 500 is 200. Is rupees 200 is rupees 200 is rupees 200. Right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 here is the question number 3 is to get an interest of 280 per year, how much money should be deposited? 280. Here it is 240, right? And the middle we are getting 280. This point is 280. Here also we are getting this middle point, right? And this point. We are getting this point. And find the coordinates of x on this axis at this middle point. It is 3000, it is 4000. In between it will be 3500. 3500. In between it is 3500. Right? That we are getting to get an interest, to get an interest, of rupees 280 per year. 280 per year. 280 per year. Rupees 3500 should be deposited. Rupees 3500 should be deposited. Should be deposited. That is the solution of question number 1C. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.